Hello, yogis. I'm so happy you're here today. Don't forget to smile and have fun. Today we're going to move, stretch, and feel strong, calm, and happy. Take a deep breath in, roll out your mat, and let's start. Be a cat. Round your back. Stretch. Look up. Great job, yogis. Be a strong tree. Stand tall. Don't wobble. Good job, yogis. Like a little frog. Stay still and balance. Great job. Now be a snake. Lift your chest. Stay strong. Now sit nice and tall. Cross your legs. Take a slow breath. Awesome, yogis. Now make a big gate. Stretch to the side. Reach far. Now be a bow. Lift up high. Rock a little. Just like that. Awesome, yogis. Be a little boat, lift your feet. Balance. Float on the water, stay strong. Let's sit into an invisible chair. Feet hip-width apart. Bend your knees and reach your arms up. Awesome! Be strong like a board. Hold still. Don't wiggle. Stay super strong. Wonderful. Keep your spine tall. Great job! You did it! This one wasn't easy at all. Now jump far like a monkey. Stretch and smile. Turn to the side. Be strong. Reach up. You can do it. Keep trying. Be a butterfly. Flap your wings. Up and down. This is our final pose. Be an archer, aim strong. You did it! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video to enjoy more fun yoga exercises.